Hi guys, welcome back to Byte Size Brains, where we break down complex tech in bite-sized pieces so that it's very easy for you to understand. Today, we're actually looking at Ollama and how Ollama is used to run large language models locally. If you're intrigued by AI and how AI is changing the world, here in Byte Size Brains, we bring you videos that'll help you understand AI. Before we talk about Ollama, I want to quickly give you an introduction to Huggingface. Huggingface is the leader in AI community, guys. It's open source setup and robust community. It has a lot of pre-trained models and datasets. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you. Huggingface is a open source website, community driven, where you get models, datasets. You can get all sorts of models like, image to text, image to video, text to speech, all sorts of things. And then you can also look at the datasets. So the models are pre-trained models and datasets are actual data. And then you have spaces. The spaces have all sorts of apps that people have created, and you actually use that. So let's go back to Ollama. Ollama is a tool that you can actually run these local models. You go to downloads, you click on the appropriate version, click on it, and then you'll be able to download the version. Now once you download and install it, I'm actually not doing it because I've already got this, but once you've downloaded and installed it, you'll be able to open up your local command prompt. It could be a PowerShell. So basically just open up that and then you'll be able to run Ollama list, for example. Ollama list will actually give you a complete list of all of the models that you've already downloaded. And as you see in my computer, I've got all of these models that are actually pre-downloaded. In your case, you will not see any of this. The list will be empty. But once you install or once you download and run it, you'd actually have that. If you go to the models tab, you'd see all of the individual models that are already available in Ollama. So this is where you actually get the model name. But you can see Llama 3s, for example, done by Meta. You've got Pi 3, and you've got lots of other models, and you can actually look at the what is this model trained on and what is it actually used for. Now anyway, once you actually look at these models and decide which of the models you want to try, you can actually go back to your sort of command prompt, and you can actually type in Ollama run and the model name. So the name of the model you'll actually pick from this particular page. Now once you actually do this, I'm going to just try and give you an example here, and we'll just go Ollama run Llama 3, and because I've already got it installed, it will not download, but I'm actually going to give you an example with Pi 3, for example, to show you how it starts downloading. Now for example, let's just do Ollama So you can see all of the Pi 3, for example, and we are actually going to run Ollama run Pi 3, and then this will start downloading it. I'm not going to allow it to fully download, but this is what will happen. If you haven't already got it, it'll actually download it and then it'll run it. But I'm going to stop this. I'm actually going to show you the Llama 3, which I've already got installed, like you can see here. And when you do Llama 3, it'll look at it and it'll know that it's actually already downloaded. So it'll straight away go to the prompt where you actually can directly interface and talk to the actual large language model. So right now I can say anything here and basically interact with the model, and the model will actually give me a response. So let's try an example here. Hi, I need some help for maybe to learn about AI and large language models. Can you help me? Do something like that. Once you do that, you can actually specify how you want the description to be provided in terms of like provided for a 12-year-old or a 15-year-old or a kind of PhD level or whatever you want, and then you should see that provide that information to you. Quite simple. So what we're doing is we're actually directly using the large language model, very similar to what you would do in ChatGPT or anything else, but we're actually doing it on a command prompt. Now, if you want to do the same using a web interface, I've got another video where I actually show you how to install this. You should see that on the top right now, and then you should be able to download and follow the tutorial and actually install this. But you can select the model at the top, and then you can enter a prompt like I've just done, and it'll give you a response. And this is all running locally. You're not actually spending any money, you're not actually paying for any tokens, etc. It's all running locally. Just go give me a riddle, and then it gives me a riddle. So very simple, guys. If you're interested in this, just click on the link for the other video where you should be able to see my full tutorial on how to actually install and run this web UI locally. Anyway, I hope you find this video interesting. I am going to help you learn AI, and together we can actually explore the various AI tools. AI is going to be exploding in the next few years, and together we can go on this journey and learn everything together, guys. If you want to know something specific, if you want to learn something specific, please give me some comments in the description and I'll help you bring that video to you. Thank you. Until next time, stay curious. And guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you.